Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm excited to share with you how to record payments manually in QuickBooks Online. Let's dive right in. On the left-hand menu, navigate to the Sales tab and then select Customers. This will show you a list of all your customers. Find and click on the customer for whom you want to record a payment. This will open the customer's transaction history. Click on the Receive Payment button. A new window will appear where you can enter the payment details. Fill in the necessary information such as the payment date, payment method, and the amount received. Make sure to select the correct invoice that the payment is for. Once you've entered all the details, click on Save and Close to record the payment. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more YouTube tutorials. Thanks for watching.